Hello filmmakers and welcome back to 3D printed soup. You might not know that when I'm not doing videos for my YouTube channel, I have other hobbies. I hunt the world's deadliest game, man, a tea. And I also build 3D printed props for commission. And this week I got a great commission come in. It's the mask from the film The Mask, starring Jim Carrey, the world's greatest Dr. Robotnik. Come at me. But not the rubber mask he wears on it or the computer generated one. The original Loki Mask, where it's made out of ancient wood and it's a Norse mask and it's a replication of the face of Loki. It's the one where Loki is apparently trapped in it, and when he puts it on at night he turns into the Mask. The comic book is better and darker. Check it out. So I had a look on screen and a lot of confusion here. Because of lighting and the way the film is shot, it's very hard to work out what colour the actual mask is. So I went for two options. I went for a wooden version and I went for a slightly greener version to be more sort of maskish. So I've printed both, I've painted both, and he's going to choose the one which he likes the best. So without any further ado, let's get on and 3D print ourselves a 3D printed on-screen mask prop replica. While we're at it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Loads of you now, we're almost up to 4,000. If you haven't liked and subscribed, drag your cursor down, click the subscribe button, and welcome to the masquerade ball, which is 3D printed soup, because let's face it, this is a face for radio. Let's get on and give this a try. Oh wow, this thing turned out perfectly. Oh, sorry. This thing turned out perfectly. It's absolutely gorgeous. And yes, the gentleman who I did the commission for chose the brown one, which I think probably looks more like the one on screen. However, I prefer the green one here because it has a hint of what it actually becomes when someone puts it on. And yeah, it is absolutely beautiful. I really enjoyed doing the washing on it and also the dry brushing to give it that sort of that wooden effect. And I think printing it in green when I first started out actually really adds to that as well. I printed the other one out in brown and then did brown washes, and that really highlighted the brown of the wooden mask. But yeah, I absolutely adore this one and I'm very, very happy with it. I think I might hang it up here above my hurdy-gurdy. So, yeah, absolutely love this and I really enjoy doing 3D printed props. So yeah, I might do a few more of those on the channel. In fact, leave a comment, let me know, do you want more props or do you prefer my role-playing game figures or do you prefer my tutorials? Let me know and I'll see which ones I can do more of. Thank you so much for watching 3D Printed Soup. Stay happy and safe. Keep printing.